So here's a quick tip for those of you who may not live in terribly inclement climates. I'm here in Northwest Florida, and my hangar is neither insulated nor is it heated nor cooled. And we have the occasional cold days here during the winter months. So what I do is if the temperature is down in the 30s or even low 40s, before I go flying in the morning, I will want to warm my oil up a little bit. And so I've got the UL Power 350 IS engine in this airplane, and the back of the engine is right there. You can kind of see the back flywheel. So the engine takes up about this part forward. But I like to warm my oil up, so I have a hair dryer here that my wife no longer used. It was a travel hair dryer, and I will put it on high setting, and then I just kind of push it down inside this hole turn it on and let it run for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I have usually seen about a 20-degree increase in the temperature of the oil when I turn the engine on. So I get it up to 50 or 60 degrees, maybe even a little bit higher, and the oil is nice and warmed. Hope this helps anybody.